Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Odisha reported 718 new COVID-19 cases. COVID-19 hotspot Ganjam crosses 5,000 mark. To prevent spread of the deadly coronavirus in Sambalpur, the administration today announced 2-day shutdown in the entire district starting tomorrow, that is July 18. 15-day lockdown will be imposed in Ganjam, Khordha, Cuttack and Jajpur districts and Rourkela Municipal Corporation area till July 31 midnight. India on Friday became the third country in the world to record more than 1 million coronavirus cases, behind only the United States and Brazil, with a record single-day surge of 34,956 cases. Maximum screen time should be 3 hours per day for online classes. While increasing screen time in children has always been a concern, the pandemic has certainly added to the woes and multiplied time kids spend in front of the screens. Toy industries of Rajkot witness revival in demand for products amid the campaign for boycotting the sale and use of Chinese products in wake of the Galwan Valley face-off in mid-June. Indigo launched a scheme on Friday that allows a passenger to book 2 seats for himself or herself to ensure additional safety amid the coronavirus pandemic. The charges for the extra seat will be effectively up to 25% of the original booking cost. This offer is effective travel starting July 24, 2020. People can continue to visit the famous Tirumala Tirupati Balaji temple, the top official of the temple's board has said amid a controversy over priests and employees getting infected with the highly contagious coronavirus. There is no evidence of pilgrims testing positive for coronavirus. It's World Emoji Day today. Yes, there is such a day and social media is abuzz with all about emojis. An emoji can be described as a digital form of expressing your feelings. In the time of coronavirus pandemic, when social distance is the new normal and you want to hug your friends safely, an emoji will help you. Air France and United Airlines of the US will operate a limited number of international flights under so-called air bubble arrangements with India, and negotiations are underway with Germany and the UK to reach similar agreements, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Puri said on Thursday. New voice is visible to the naked eye around sunset. The best dates for viewings are July 22 and 23rd, at which point it will be just 200 times as far from us as the moon is. About 273 million Indians moved out of multi-dimensional poverty between 2005 and 2006 and 2015 and 2016, according to a UN report which noted that India has recorded the largest reduction in the number of people living in this category. The FBI has launched an investigation after hackers hijacked Twitter accounts of a number of high-profile US figures in an apparent Bitcoin scam. Their official accounts requested donations in the cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.